Hello, Selective Collective. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Write Your Own Damn Code, also the title of a book that I wrote, available on Amazon. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video.
Now, first of all, lad, we've got to get all these medieval ideas out of your head. Clear the way for new ideas. Knowledge of man's fabulous discoveries in the centuries ahead. Now that'll be a great advantage, boy.
Advantage indeed. If the boy goes about saying the world is round, they'll take him for a lunatic.
The world is round?
Yes, that's right. And it also goes around.
When you talk to yourself in your head, are you speaking or listening? Isn't that concerning?
Here's the truth about The Matrix. The Matrix isn't just a sci-fi concept. It's the trance you were born into. The web of beliefs, roles, ambitions, fears, and habits that you inherited before you even had the chance to ask who you really are. It was installed, and it runs like software, making you think the code is you. The demiurge that the Gnostics talk about, think of it not as a double, but a cosmic programmer. It made a game, which we can call this reality, but it's limited. It's clever, patterned, and self-referencing, and it's seductive. Like a really well-made video game where you forget you're the one holding the controller. You begin to think you are the avatar, the job title, the pain, the body, the hunger, and the success story. But there's always a catch. The more you chase status, control, validation, money, the more polished your prison gets. You don't escape the Matrix by getting rich or becoming spiritually better at playing its rules.
You've been running on default. Same patterns, same loops, same results. But here's the truth. Your mind is a computer. Your beliefs are the program, and your life, that's the code you're running. The problem is, most of us are still running hand-me-down code. Old stories, old limitations, systems we never chose. It's time to upgrade. Write Your Own Damn Code isn't just a book. It's the manual. The step-by-step guide that shows you how to debug your past, delete what no longer serves you, and install the beliefs that match the life you want to create. You've heard the concept. You create your own reality. Now here's the breakdown. Thought by thought, line by line, chapter by chapter. You don't need permission. You don't need anyone's approval. You already hold the keyboard. You already hold the power. So stop running on default. Stop waiting for the system to update itself. Upgrade, rewrite, transform. The code is yours. The choice is yours. The reality is yours. Write your own damn code.
The golden age is here. The golden age. If you don't know what this means, let me enlighten you. You and I do not live in the world we think we live in. Literally every aspect of our world has been controlled, and it has been meant to enslave you and keep you trapped. The financial system, the educational system, the medical system, all of it is backwards, and it was never designed to actually benefit you. Most of everything that has been put in place is to harm you. The golden age is the beautiful transitionary phase that we are experiencing as of now to free mankind from spiritual, mental, physical enslavement. Because the truths of our world have been hidden away for so fucking long, and I am still so fascinated that there are people who have accepted this little life that we've been taught to live. You are such a divine, powerful, spiritual being, and this has been kept away, hidden from you your entire life because they don't want people to be empowered and conscious and aware, because holy shit, you cannot control and manipulate when human beings are in their full power. And I don't think you and I understand how powerful we are.
The quantum law of being states that reality is like a mirror that reflects back at us based on our inner state of being. It suggests that the external world is not completely separate and independent from our inner world of thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Rather, the external world responds to and reflects our internal state. For example, if we believe ourselves to be stuck in life, the world will prove us right and reflect stuckness back to us. But if we assume the state of being free, even before outer conditions change, the world will begin to reflect back more freedom and opportunity. Essentially, we shape reality based on who we believe ourselves to be. By changing our inner state, our assumptions, thoughts, and feelings, we cause the mirror of reality to morph and transform accordingly. The world depends on us, the observers, to determine which timeline of
Something extraordinary is happening on this planet. Can you feel it? The The density is lifting, the illusion is cracking. We are shifting from a world of fear and fragmentation into a dimension of coherence, compassion, and crystalline clarity. The old systems are crumbling. False power structures, greed-fueled empires, control-based paradigms dissolving under the light of a higher frequency. We are waking up, not just individually, but collectively. A tidal wave of remembrance sweeping the earth. We are not separate, we are not small. We are divine fractals of source awakening within the dream. Even the earth knows. The Schumann resonance, the planet's heartbeat, is rising, echoing the awakening of her children. The higher the hats, the clearer the signal. And the veil? It's thinner than ever. This is the bifurcation. Two timelines, one collapsing, one ascending.
Did you know that Twitch has over 150 million users? That means that around 2% of the world population are watching other people play video games. What? Now we all know what I think about gaming. They create an alternative reality that gives to the people they want to control the perception that they have superpowers, so that in the real world, these people stay in the basement, weak and awkward and useless, and no chick will want them. The globalists want to control us, and that's just another way to do it. And who owns Twitch? It's Amazon. And who owns Amazon? Vanguard, BlackRock, and State Street. The same groups that own most of the other. Now listen, if you're hooked on some game, you have to come back to reality and help us out. Humans are not made to live in front of a screen. Go outside, swim in the lake, catch a fish, grow some food, ask a nice girl out face to face, start a business. It's either you write your own future or they'll write it for you.
Will a metaverse world happen?
What's gonna happen?
Yeah, I think that you and I are of a different generation, dude. I think there are a lot of kids who are growing up in Fortnite world and spend a lot, and I think the pandemic really accelerated this. There are a lot of people who lived online for the entire pandemic, and so for people like me and for people like my parents, not seeing other humans for a long time was actually quite painful and terrible. Like, we actually did want to get out and be with the community and see friends and do that sort of stuff. What if you spend your entire life, from the time you're a little kid, interacting with screens? What if those screens are getting increasingly sophisticated so that they are interacting with you in ways that humans would? What if you get to be whatever, like, we're a society, we were just talking about this, where you get to be whatever you want to be? What if there's a world where you actually can be and everybody sees you the way you want to be seen? Would you rather live there where you're like rich and good looking and everybody likes you, or would you rather live in the real world where you're disconnected from all of that and you end up with like Ready Player One world? I think
it's gonna happen.
If you enjoy videos like this, let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Wishing you love and good vibrations.